Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone not receiving incoming calls. If you are using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your iPhone cannot receive incoming calls, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So the very first thing is that you have to open your settings here, go for general here, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software updates. If you find a pending software update, try to update the software, then go back, go for notification section, and you just have to look for phone app here, and you have to enable all the settings from here. Once you have enabled all the settings, simply go back and you have to check if your issue is fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, go for general again, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. Or you can also try to reset all settings. So after resetting all settings, your issue will be fixed and you'll not face the same issue again, because it will not delete your data. It will reset all over your phone settings. If there are any setting is enabled or disabled, it will be fixed in this step. Or after that, if you're still facing the same issue, you just have to go for Apple Support app, or you can also use Apple Support.web. So go for iPhone here, go for more option, select cellular services or mobile services from here, and then select skip for now. And from here, you just have to select get more help. Select call us. Now you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So in this way your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.